Welcome to another ManicMod. As promised in my home automation and channel introduction video, here is a showdown between Govee and Hue Play Ambilight solutions. The Govee DreamView costs only $60 to $140 depending on your display size and current sales. The pricier Hue Play solution will run you about $465, $249 for the HDMI sync box and $215 for the gradient strip. This is a good time to mention the Hue Play box does not support 4K at 120Hz, so if you are gaming with an Xbox Series X or PlayStation, you'll have to sacrifice that. I get around this by using a Denon amplifier with dual HDMI outputs, one for TV and another for sync box. If you are gaming with a PC, however, you can leverage the Hue Sync app for Windows and will be heftily rewarded with 4K, 120Hz, and Ambilight. My rundown includes two different Hue configurations, one leveraging two Hue Play bars on the sides of the display and two Hue strips on top and bottom, another using the 65-inch gradient light strip, which has 7 zones to provide upper and side bias, and as you will see, I also have added a lower LED strip to provide some lower bias as well. My Govee configuration uses a 55-inch strip, which has been rescaled to fit a 48-inch LG OLED. This is an easy but time-consuming modification that I might build upon in a later video. Alright, on to the Ambilight Rochambeau. Thanks for checking out my video. If you like mods, check out my home automation video I released today, dubbed 6 home automation features that kill. or 6 home automation features that kill, depending on how you read it. I'm just getting started here on YouTube, so if you like the content, or please let me know below. And if you subscribe, you're all right.